AI tools are everywhere on the internet, and it's impossible to be online without being inundated with adverts of various AI tools as everyone jumps on the bandwagon. Most are a waste of space and offer the same tricks that all other tools offer. So when an AI tool pops up, it has to offer something of interest to catch my attention and stand out from the crowd. RecCloud asked me to review their offering, so coming up is my thoughts on this latest toolset. Is it worthy of your time and your money? Let's find out. The RecCloud website, which is recloud.com and recloud.ai, are essentially the same website, and then it has a product section offering a selection of tools and a solutions section which seems to offer the same tools but organized in a different way that makes it appear different. Then clicking on Explore goes to a rather confusing and overwhelming selection of use cases. So I'm not a fan of this, to be honest. I found it confusing and a bit of a muddled mess. Essentially, there are a few tools on offer, some for free and some are paid. The ones that do not have flames have limited free uses per day. The ones that do have flames are paid, either with buying credit packs or on a subscription basis. Looking at the various products and features available, pretty much everything you see here is on offer by other websites and competitors in various forms. What I think RecCloud are doing is bringing various AI tools out in the wild already under one roof so that you only have one-stop shop rather than using a variety of different websites and tools. So it offers convenience rather than speciality. Having said that, the one feature I have not seen elsewhere is the AI video translation feature. More on this later. There is an AI watermark removal tool, but I refuse to use this or test this tool based on my morals and principles. Any tool that could be used or encourages circumventing copyright gets an instant thumbs down from me, and I'm disappointed this tool has been provided, and I almost refuse to continue with the review because of this. However, ignoring this issue, I continue to show some other tools. The AI video translator tool is perhaps the most interesting and less common tool available on the site. I was most excited to give this a go. In a demo, it was very impressive, the same girl speaking multiple languages. Here is a quick snippet.
Haven't heard about this AI tool. You need to check it out. 如果你还没有听说过这个 AI 工具，你需要了解一下。Si vous n'avez toujours pas entendu parler de cet outil d'IA, vous devez absolument le découvrir. Wenn du von diesem KI-Tool noch nicht gehört hast, solltest du es dir unbedingt ansehen.
Demos are always optimized to appear the best, but it's proof in the pudding, as they say, to try it on real footage. I tried on a few seconds of one of my own videos. Once the video is uploaded, it's just a case of picking the original language and then the desired language. I chose French, and then let AI do the dubbing or use the AI preset voice. I tried both. This is a paid service which costs 10 credits per minute. In both my tests, the dubbing wasn't really great. The dubbing version did not match the mouth that closely, so it just sounded like the original voice has been removed and a dubbed AI voice that is not actually synced over the top. Unlike the demo, it did not sync to the lips at all, and the voice sounded unnatural and rather robotic. I would not use it on any of my videos, so here's a few seconds so you can see what I mean.
Voir si vous pouvez penser comme un photographe. Plutôt que de simplement vous souvenir des réglages de l'appareil, je vais donc vous montrer une photographie ou une situation de prise de vue.
The AI voice version did not fare much better. It also does not sync, and although it does not have the distortion, it sounded like it was an AI voice, not natural at all. Let's see what you think.
C'est un test pratique d'exposition connu pour voir si vous pouvez penser comme un photographe plutôt que de simplement retenir les RGH de l'appareil. Je vais donc vous montrer une photo ou une situation de prise de vue.
All the other AI tools, for example, subtitle generator, video clip title generator, are nothing groundbreaking or unique to this site. They're available in many other sites and offerings, so not compelling enough to warrant a particular further look. Other tools available are trim clips, merge clips, crop clips, and these are standard tools that are available in most free video editors, so these offer no value on the site, so I'm going to discount them. My main thoughts on this site is that I didn't find any tool that was particularly unique or compelling enough, offering above what could be found with any other provider. The pricing, I think, is too expensive for the tools. For example, the weekly subscription is $15 a week for 300 credits. So you can translate 3 5-minute videos and then your credits are going to be blown for the week. In my opinion, this leaves a rather confusing website to navigate. Only one compelling feature which does not appear to work, at least for me, and at too high a price point. This means I'm unable to recommend this offering.